Is your hair too long in the front? So this is something that I get asked all the time, especially with the TikTok hairstyle or the flip in the front. And for everybody who's been purchasing the TikToker hair kits that I have, thank you so much. If you are not sure what that is, well, it's a kit that we've put together containing the products that I use in order to achieve this look. The first thing is Tidal Wave, the sea salt spray, an absolute must. You need this to prep your hair as a pre-styler, Tidal Wave. Then I've got the round brush. This is the ceramic anionic round brush that is the perfect size for creating the flips like this, all right? And then lastly, Locked Hairspray, which has been updated and upgraded with better ingredients, a little more holding power, new packaging, and more product. This is what you use to finish off the hairstyle. And last but not least, those three products are in one kit. My blow dryer, the blow dryer I have now, which we've updated to now have magnetic attachments. And it also comes with this diffuser. So I've got all sorts of great things going on here. So is the hair too long in the front? So let me take this mannequin head off the stand here, and here is another mannequin. And I just want to go over a couple of things to help you understand why this could be potentially an issue. So if your hair, let's just say, comes down to here, right? Is that too long? Well, it may or may not be too long, because you may be able to brush this back like this, and then you can get that flip in the front, like so. And next thing you know, like, hey, you know what? I know it looks crazy and messy, but this is exactly the kind of look that I want. And now you've got like that popular kind of flow going on through here. Now, if it's something where you feel like it's a little bit too much hair and you see what's happening here, it's just kind of falling down all the time, well, then that's a problem, and that's when you need to change it up. So if you are looking for a style more like this, as you can see, the difference is that this is a lot more layered than this, and it's also shorter. So what you need to really take in consideration is not only the length in the front, right in through here, and you can see as we get closer, not only the length in the front, but also the layering, okay? So this layering here needs to be cut the right way and balanced the right way. This is very, very, very important. So let's break this down so you can really get a good understanding of what is happening here. So we've got some length through at the top here, and follow along with me so you can see this is all layered working towards the front. Now it's all pretty much the same length, right? It's all the same length, but the key is that it's all evenly balanced and layered all the way to the very, very front. If this part is way too long in the front and through here, then what's going to happen is this is just going to keep weighing it, like falling flat, and it's not going to have that texture or volume. So when you go like this and you bring your hands down, the reason it's able to flip up like this is because it's all evenly balanced. So if you pull the hair up this way, it's all going to be the same length. So you got to make sure that if you are cutting your own hair even, or going to your stylist or barber or whatever, that you've got the base length here, and that everything then is evenly balanced and layered by pulling it straight out from the head. That's the most crucial thing to achieving this type of hairstyle. So if your hair is too long, like this, for example, because you want something like that, or the top is really short and this is just not layered enough, that could be an issue too. You could have the right hair length, but your hair isn't layered correctly. So again, layering, it's all about balance, specifically for this type of hairstyle. And, or you can have this really, really long on top, or this really, really short. It just all needs to be, and you could do this even by looking in the mirror. If you hold your hair straight up and pull it up, and if you see areas that are like a lot longer, then you got to get that evened out, okay, and balanced. So when you pull the hair up, it's all evenly cut on the same length. And that's what's really going to help you. So yes, your hair can be too long in the front, and that could be really limiting you and restricting the kinds of looks you can get. But, hopefully this video has helped you. And if you are interested in purchasing any of these products, here's a code for you, YouTube20, that's YouTube20, and free shipping in the United States on orders with a value of over $50. So you have great deals going on here. And let me know if this video helped you. Let me know if you have this problem and you made some cool discoveries. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.